How was your first day at school?
I hate everybody!
Oh, wimbo wet, 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 oh, wimbo wet.
A divorce.
Divorce.
It's not funny, John, and you know it's been coming for a long time. Why do you always laugh when I'm upset? I'm absolutely serious. I'm serious as hell. Stop laughing. Chicken! Chick, chick, chicken! Chicken! Chick, chick, chicken! Chick, chick, chick!
Sure, you may be verified on Twitter, but are you verified in the eyes of...
I should have left you on that street corner where you were standing. But you didn't.
And to all, a good night.
Tired of Tupperware? You got that right. Tired of books? No. Tired of sleeping? Leave me alone!
Your dad has powers? Yeah, he's been invisible my whole life, see? That's horrible, Billy.
How's it horrible?
Oh,
There's a lot of debate
about who should pay on a date.
The man?
The woman?
Well, here's 12 reasons we think it should be
Transgender Muslims.
How is it?
You may now speak.
That moment you get laid off.
Hey guys, I'm really sad.
Sir, has there ever been a robbery at this establishment?
Not that I know of. I don't know.
Look what I can do.
Good, Steve. May I hold your hand?
No! How am I supposed to find another gay
Hi, my name is Trey. I have a basketball game tomorrow. Well, I'm a point guard. I got shoe game.
Sometimes you get knocked down and you don't know if you can get back up again. And sometimes you go to Cracker Barrel.
What is going on here? Breakfast! I've been dreaming of a true love's kiss.
Hey, what's up, dude? Welcome to my crib. This is where the magic happens. Now let's move to the room where my grandpa died.
whose man's is this?
But the real question is, whose man's am I?
Hey son, you remember this song? Yeah. Don't you ever forget it.
Oh my god, are you fitting to smash?
Oh my god, no.
Who didn't let me finish? The patriarchy, I'm a feminist.
Today we observe two basic white girls in their natural habitat. Whatever you do, don't touch the
I barely got any sleep last night. All those bad bitches you got kept you up, huh? No, it was my anxiety and depression.
Damn, where my friends at?
That's grape soda. Come on.
Hi, my name is Chelsea. What's your favorite dinner food?
Wait a second. Barack Obama's the first black president.
You hear that? I think they're on a Tinder date.
Wow. That's gotta be so awkward.
Right? Thank God we used
Christian Mingle.
There's only one race. The human race. What about NASCAR?
Hey mom, going to Michael's, bye.
Toby, you're still grounded. Toby!
It was this one, it wasn't my—
You can't sit with us. Actually, Megan, I can't sit anywhere. I have hemorrhoids.
Jeremy, there's no macaroni and cheese, no more. You've eaten all of it.
Oh, my husband is a piece of America's history. Hi, I'm Hillary Clinton.
Hurry up, we're gonna be late for school. Bruh, chill. I don't know why you in a big time rush.
I'm so happy to see you.
How you been? Good, how about you?
Good, I'm good. Won't flush again? Well, here's a tip. Don't stab kids, okay?
Girl, I am not walking under that. Only rock you can find me under is Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Excuse me, little boy.
Help me, purse! I'll save you. Woohoo! He's already gone.
Yeah, but that backflip though.
Yo, who is she texting? Just a dad. You see, my bacon's extra crispy. My eggs are full grown. I only got one plate because I'm all fucking alone.